watching Code with T and
T.
So today we are going to be talking about version control. What is version control?
Who knows?
Who knows what version control is? Have you ever worked on a project and it was pretty good and then you decided to tweak it just a little bit and then you ruined the whole thing? For instance, the best example I can give you is, let's say we have this beautiful picture that I drew, isn't it fabulous, of a flower, and you're like, I want to add the sun to it. So you start to add the sun, but then, oh no, look what I did. I ruined it. Just because I was trying to add a sun in the corner, see? And you're like, oh, it was just so beautiful. It's just that one thing that I wanted to add. I wish I could go back and erase the whole sun thing, right? That is what version control is. You could go back, it takes a snapshot of your project, and then it keeps it there. You could branch off and work on something new, a feature like adding the sun in the corner. And if you like it, then you can merge it together and voila, it's one picture.
Or maybe you could just add more decorations.
Or more decorations. But if you didn't like it, you could just discard it and
make a new one.
You still have your original master. That's not ruined. So today we're going to talk about GitHub and why you should use it as one of your developer tools. So what we're going to do today is set up a GitHub account. You should have an email account, which most everybody does. So Talia, go ahead and open Google Chrome.
Okay.
Okay, so I actually already have the website out. It's called github.com. Will you read that first title right there?
Yep.
Yeah.
How people build software.
How people build software. So let's pick a username, and I'm going to do code with T and T. Okay, and our email address is actually the same thing.
Code with TNT.
Oops, at gmail.com. Password, I'm going to pick something and I'll tell you later.
Okay.
And then, sign up for GitHub. Click on this button, sign up for GitHub. And it says, welcome to GitHub. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Awesome. And it's going to ask you to pay for something maybe. And guess what? Do we want to pay for anything?
Maybe.
Maybe, but not really.
No.
So we're going to do free. $0 a month. I like free. And go ahead and we're going to choose that. It's weird. Okay. Anyways, how would you describe your level of programming experience, Talia? Are you totally new to programming? Are you somewhat experienced, or are you very experienced?
Very experienced.
You're very experienced. Okay. Do you know what? Let's just pick totally new to programming.
Okay.
What do you plan to use GitHub for? Check all that apply research? Not necessarily. Project management? No. Development? Yes. We're going to design stuff? Yes. School projects? Yes. Which is the closest to how you would describe yourself? Are you a student? You are a student. Okay? What are you interested in? Anything. Let's just keep on going. Okay, let's get started. So,
hello world.
Hello world, 10-minute read. This is a very, very basic what is GitHub and how it is to use it set up. We are pretty much just going to do
a few
things, but pretty much I just want to set up a GitHub.
Yeah.
And then you could follow this along.
Yeah.
So there it is. You've set up a GitHub, and we will talk about version control, and we will also talk about a text editor, because you do need a text editor to get started with your project.